Hi guys! Welcome to another edition of Mac Doodles. My name is Erica Guajardo and I'm going to instruct you today on how to illustrate treats. I have a special guest, Mr. Sugar Bear.
Hi, I'm Sugar Bear.
This little philanthropist right here is actually going to assist me today with all the doodling fun I have in mind. Please remember during our workshop we're using the following materials: Prismacolor Color Erase Blue Pencil. This pencil is used for outlining simple shapes. If you don't have a blue pencil, then you could use the 2B graphic pencil. This pencil is easy to erase with a white eraser. Once we have moved on in our workshop, we will begin using graphic pens. My favorite company to use is Micron. This pen is distributed by Sakura of America. I use a variety of pens, one being Micron 005 for the fine details in the illustration or doodle. I also use Micron 02 for the regular details or outline. These are simple lines that give us the idea of what the overall image is going to look like. Once I'm ready to use bold details, I use the Micron 08 pen. This will make details pop out and create hierarchy within the image. Last, when I'm happy with my illustration or doodle, I will outline the entire image in graphic 1. This is for bold outline and will allow your eye to pay attention to the overall composition of the doodle. You could use any company of pen or marker to illustrate, but personally, I like the Micron and Sakura of America product because they are archival and waterproof, meaning that they will last throughout the years. When you are using the Prismacolor Color Erase pencils or graphite pencil, please remember that you could always erase it with a white eraser. All of these products can be bought at your local hobby shop. Some of my favorites are Michael's, Hobby Lobby, BlickArt.com, and many of these companies ship to your door. Please remember that even if you don't have any of these products at your home, you could still doodle. All you need is any pencil, pen, or marker, and some paper. The paper that we are using today is going to be waterproof so that we can later color it with watercolor paints, but you could also just use regular white paper and color it in with color pencil, crayons, or markers that you choose.
So what are we going to be creating today? I specifically said treats, but when I'm creating and illustrating treats, I think of these inanimate objects of having life. The word is anthropomorphic. It means that you're giving human characteristics and traits to a non-living object. For us today, it's going to be the sugary treats that I've selected.
Get cheese to eat.
So let's get started.
Have fun.
So what you think about that? I'm like, lots of sugary fun, wasn't it?
Oh no, I have too much sugar.
I totally thought so. Wow, many of these images are actually going to be used for some of our workshops for kids. One in particular is called DIY Silk Screening Workshop, which allows children as young as 3 years old to create a professional t-shirt. With the help of Dirty Laundry Clothing, we host this workshop about 3 times a year when being in spring, summer, and fall. We currently don't have a date that's marked specifically, but look for us on our social media platforms or at the city website for more details on when we will be bringing this workshop. We're currently working on a fundraiser campaign called North Texas Giving Tuesday. This is now open until May 5th. The reason why I would encourage you to support this is because it helps funding at the Mesquite Arts Center. We are currently raising money for our Missoula Children's Theater Camp and allowing this to have a discounted rate. In past years, we've charged as much as $75 per child for this week-long theater workshop, but this year we're actually trying to make sure that all children can participate for $10. The way you could help is by visiting www.northtexasgivingday.org/Mesquite Arts Council. The Mesquite Arts Council is the board that supports the Mesquite Arts Center. I would like to thank all of you guys for supporting this virtual journey. It's new for us, and we hope that as the episodes go on, we get better and better, and maybe one day it'll just be something that we always do. Till we know, until the future tells us. I hope you stay safe, and I really enjoyed doodling with you.
Oh yeah, I really enjoyed it.
To learn more about our upcoming programming, please visit our Facebook page or city website. Thank you and have a great day.
Bye everybody. Wow, that was fun.